In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll walk through a simple path. Start from a Google search, open Webflow from the official result, head to your project, then use the Apps section to find VidsFlow so you can create a site with a full-screen video background. I'll keep it clear and paste so you can follow along without pausing every second. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow. This helps you land on the correct entry point, even if you haven't bookmarked anything yet. On the results page, it's best to choose the official Webflow listing. Look for the result titled Webflow. Create a custom website, Visual Website Builder, and make sure the domain is webflow.com so you know you're in the right place. Click that official Webflow result. It will take you to Webflow's site where you can access your account and projects. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would and continue. From here, navigate to your dashboard where your projects are listed. Locate the project you want to work with, then click View Site. This opens the live version of your project in a new tab or window, letting you confirm you're in the correct place before making changes. With your project confirmed, look for the Apps area. Depending on your layout or recent updates, this may appear in the dashboard or within the designer's interface. The Apps section is where you extend what Webflow can do through trusted tools. Open Apps, and you'll see a search field at the top. In the search field, type VidsFlow. Keep the spelling exact for the fastest result. As you type, you should see VidsFlow appear in the list. VidsFlow is designed to help you create immersive experiences, like a full-screen video background, while keeping your Webflow workflow visual and straightforward. When you see VidsFlow in the results, click on it. This opens its page so you can proceed with using it to make a website with a full-screen video background in Webflow. Take a moment to review the overview and any notes about how it integrates with your project. Opening the app page from here sets you up to move forward confidently. And that's it. You searched for Webflow, opened the official site, viewed your project, navigated to Apps, searched for VidsFlow, and selected it to enable a full-screen video background. Pause the video if you need to repeat a step, and when you're ready, continue customizing your site's visuals to match your brand.